Welcome back, Crammers, to question 24. Write down the value of m plus 2 to the power of 0, where m is a positive integer. Any positive integer here, no matter how great to the power of 0, will simply equal 1. Simplify 3a squared b to the power of 4 all to the power of 3. So we can simply write this out. Since the power of 3 here is 1, when dealing with brackets, we multiply the powers. So we have 3 to the power of 1 times 3, so that's 3. We have 8 to the power of 2 times 3, so that's 6. And we have b to the power of 4 times 3, which is 12. 3 cubed is simply 27. And we can write a to the power of 6 and b to the power of 12. Factorize fully. 14x squared times y to the power of 4 plus 21x cubed times y to the power of 2. So we can see that the highest common factor between 14 and 21 is 7. Now to find the highest common factor of x, that means you have to find the lowest power. So x to the power of 2 and x to the power of 3. 2 is lower, so we write x to the power of 2. And between y to the power of 4 and y to the power of 2, 2 is lower, so we write y to the power of 2. And we can simply continue. 14 divided by 7 is 2. X squared divided by x squared is simply 1. So 1 times 2 is still 2, so we don't write that down. Y to the power of 4 divided by y to the power of 2. This simply means y to the power of 4 minus 2. So we simply write here y to the power of 2. Plus 21 divided by 7 is 3. X to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 2 is 3 minus 1. So that's x to the power of 1. Y to the power of 2 divided by y to the power of 2 is 1. And 1 times x is simply x. So that means our final value is 7x squared y squared times 2y squared plus 3x. The diagram shows a straight line drawn on a grid. Write down the equation of a straight line, which is y is equal to mx plus c. We have to find what m is, or the gradient. We can do this by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We can see that y2 is 4 minus y1, which is 0, divided by x2, which is 0, minus x1, which is 2 minus 2. So that gives us 4 divided by negative 2, or it's equal to negative 2. So now that we have the gradient, we can find by inputting y. Let's choose this value here. The y value here is 0. The gradient we found to be negative 2. The x value here is 2. And we simply have to find c. So negative 2 times 2 is 0 is equal to negative 4 plus c. We can bring this to the other side. And 4 is equal to c. So when writing down the equation of a straight line, we simply leave y and x as is, but we have to put in what m and c are. So we have y is equal to m, which is negative 2. X, we don't know what it is. And plus c, which we found to be 4. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.